Chinese New Year. Well, that starts on the 16th of February and ends on the 2nd of March. So it runs for what, like a couple of weeks. And this year, it is the year of the dog. So it's the year of the dog this year, which is kind of cool. And I will tell you what, and let's put ourselves into the mindset, and this is a really good thing to do with most things in life. Put yourself into the other person's shoes, okay? So here's what happens in China. In the run-up to Chinese New Year, what's happening is loads and loads of people are putting their orders in. Please, 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 get my order done. I want it to be ready before Chinese New Year. I need my order, da 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 da. So in the run-up to Chinese New Year, it is a shit fight. There is loads and loads of craziness happening, okay? And what happens is established customers get preference over new customers. That happens anytime at all in China, as it should. So established customers get preference over new customers. So the new customers get pushed to the bottom of the pile, and the existing customers, the Chinese factory, will move heaven and earth to get the orders out before Chinese New Year, so before the 16th of February, okay? And remember as well that ports and port authorities in China also go Chinese New Year as well. So it's not just the factories, it's like the entire supply chain disappears for 2 weeks. All right, so that happens, and then Chinese New Year happens, and it's like crickets. There's zero happening as far as work being done in China, all right, which is awesome. It's fantastic. But for us, of course, as sellers, it's a complete pain. So Chinese New Year's happens, and then everybody comes back to work after Chinese New Year. So March the 2nd, March the 3rd, everybody gets back to work. And then, of course, it's a shit fight again, because all of those orders that didn't get fulfilled prior to Chinese New Year, then it's a shit fight to get them all filled. And basically, the factory is 2 weeks behind. So, as with anything, it is when it's incredibly busy and there's a lot of stuff happening, there is a greater likelihood that mistakes happen, that quality control lapses a little bit, and it's a more difficult time of year for ordering products. So if it were me, I would definitely wait until after Chinese New Year. I'd give it a week, and then I would order, okay? However, you can also consider, if you are very, very keen to get your products up and running and selling, so Sarah and Josu as well, if you're very, very keen to get your products up, running and selling, I would be very, very surprised if there wasn't a wholesaler in your respective countries. So Sarah's in Australia, Josu's in Houston in Texas. If there wasn't a wholesaler who's got those products that you could buy some stock to put to the test and just pay a higher price. But that's only, of course, if you want to get the product up there and get it selling, and then afterwards you can go to your factory and go do it that way. That's what I would do. I would wait. If I was very, very keen to start, I'd try and find a wholesaler domestically, so in the US or in Australia, depending where you're going to sell, and sell it that way. That's what I would do. I would wait for sure, because it's crazy, crazy times in China. It's just an absolute shit fight. It really, really is. And the quality, for the most part, the quality is pushed to the back of the room, and let's just get the stuff out the door is pushed to the front of the room. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.